All right, so we are now here for the other parts of the factoring out solution series down here. So we have 8y squared plus 34y plus 35. So let's go try to factor out this one. Now let's try to look out for the numbers. We have 8 and, okay, we have the 8 and 35. So let's times 135 and 8 or multiply that one. That's going to give us with 280, and we have that 34. Okay, now whose number are we going to give it right out here as 20 and 14 then? Okay, so try to remember out the numbers down here. Now we're going to use that and write out here. Okay, so we have 8y squared plus 20y plus 14 plus 35 then. Okay. Oh, yeah, this was a 14 white, rather. Okay, now next one, let's try to regroup that one here. That's going to give us with 4y and 2y plus 5. And the other one with plus 7. And here, we have the 14. That's going to be 2y plus 5 then. Okay, now let's try to regroup out here. For the next one, so that's going to be 4y plus 7. And the, yeah, that's right. Yeah, 4y plus 7. That's going to be about another one is 2y plus 5. Okay, so that is how we get the answer for this fact factoring down. Okay,